Hey, it's James Nicholson and I'm in Barcelona today, and the reason I'm here is we're on a quick break, my girlfriend and I, and we thought we'd have a couple of days in Barcelona before we head down to Girona for a family holiday. And I think it's really important that as business owners and entrepreneurs we take time out from our business. So I'm going to be spending some time writing my book when we get to Girona, because we're just in a villa. We're going to have quite a relaxing time by the pool and stuff like that. And for me, I need to keep myself busy. I can't just relax. I'm sure a lot of you business owners here are the same, but you do need to take some time out from your business and re-energize, because when you come back, you're going to be so much more productive. And it's a great thing to do to come up with ideas for your business. We're going to be planning out the next 6 months while I'm away, and what events we're going to do and what new courses we're going to introduce to Rocket Marketing Hub. So do that in your business. Make sure that you take some time out, recharge your batteries, because it will make a big impact on your business. A lot of entrepreneurs and business owners don't do it because they feel that they don't have the time and they need to be working in their business all the time. But by getting out of the business, you can work on your business, and you will see huge improvements in the results of your business by doing that. So that's my message for today, and I'll speak to you guys soon.